Hi, this is Andrea, and I'm in my zombie RV. I just had to do a little assessment of how many mirrors there are in this RV. I don't really think the people who live in RVs are like the most vain in the world. I don't know whether they do it for maybe light or space, but I just want to take a short assessment of the mirror situation in my RV. We have one over the table because I don't know. We have sliding glass windows. One of them is in the closet because it was kind of broken. We have two in the little bathroom area. We have one on the door, which is probably fine. I'm probably going to replace that and use it as some kind of storage. We have the one in the bathroom, which I'm probably going to change into something a little more pretty. And then we have the one over the bed because, again, everybody wants a big giant mirror, especially overweight old people. We really want to see ourselves all the time because you never know what you want to look at. So I'm not exactly sure why so many mirrors, but there it is. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mirrors in our house. I have a 2-story house right here with a full finished basement. I don't think I have that many mirrors in my entire house, so I think that's a little excessive. How about you?